Alright, Eli, for fun, I looked for some videos on importing and exporting. I'm sure there's plenty out there, but just wanted to show you the quick and down and dirty way to do it. So I'm going to open up the project that you had sent me with the particles that you had created and show you some of the changes that I might have made on those, and then show you the best way to export those so that I can import them easily. So what I have are all the particles that you had sent me here. And the jetpack particle in particular, you can tell I made quite a few changes to it, but I kind of like the way that that looks. But in any case, the easiest way to export that, we have in our hierarchy here the particle system that we've been working with, and I am just going to come down here and create a new folder. I'm going to call this Prefabs. And Prefabs, basically, you'll see what happens here, but I just grab this particle system and drop it into the Prefabs folder, and it becomes this item that you can drop anywhere in your scene, and it's always the exact same thing. The nice thing about this, about a prefab, is that if you make a change to one of them, you can make a change to all of them. So say I set that to 3, and then I come up here and I hit apply, you'll notice that they will all take on that particular effect. I'm going to go ahead and set this back to 1 on the start size, and then hit apply again, and they are all back to 1 again. So pretty handy little system. Again, all you got to do is grab this and drag it down to anywhere within the project, but I always set up a prefab folder to make it easier to find. And then from here for exporting, very simply, we would right click on this thing and hit export package. You could also find this menu over here in the assets at the top. You can hit export package and it pulls up whatever you have selected. If you don't have anything selected and you hit export package, it's going to bring up everything. But all we really want is this one particle system. So export package, and you'll see down here it says include dependencies. So this includes your particle materials that you're using, whatever is involved in creating that prefab. It's going to have that there as well. In order to keep things kind of neat and orderly, normally what I like to do, you'll notice I'm using the lava mats for this particular prefab, but normally what I would like to do is grab these and put them in the same folder just to make things look and import a little bit better. So we'll grab the PNG and the material, and then we will export this again one last time. It's all in the same folder, everything looks good. We'll hit export, and then I actually have an export folder set up here that I'm going to stick them in. Where to go? Right there. We will save this as jetpack particles, and done. Boom. So this is super simple. Now that this is set up, I can go into the game that we are working on currently, and I will go up here to assets and hit import package, custom package, and these are like the standard Unity packages that you can import at any point in time, but I want to hit custom, and it already opened up this import. Open, and it shows the things I'm about to import. It says that these are new, it's not replacing anything. Import, and done. So it imported it into my prefabs folder already. So if I go down here and I look for jetpack particle system, this is the one that we imported, and I can drop it right in there and make one quick change to the render order, and there she be. Bam, quick and easy, super simple. What do you think about that? It looks legit. There. Yeah, look at that. So anyways, hope that helps, man. See you later.